You're thinking about investing and you're a beginner. Here are 5 things that are warning signs that I learned that I would love to teach you. Warning sign number 1. When someone is too eager, when they have to give you an idea of a proposal or something like, hey, real estate, that's a good investment. What about looking at this house, doing this? How much money do you have? When they're too eager, they're not even giving you an opportunity to breathe. They don't even know your full name. Okay? Warning sign. They are thirsty for that money. So avoid this because you're going to end up in a hole and you can't get out of it and you don't know what to do. Warning sign. Warning sign number 2. Asking people who never invested for investment information and advice. Child, don't you dare do that because they don't know nothing about it and they're going to give you advice. How? They don't know what to do. Go on YouTube. Go on Google. Investing for beginners. What to do. What to avoid. Just an idea. Don't do what your girl did. Warning sign number 3. If you don't know enough about the product, the service, or the investment, and you're just going off of the reward and the payoff. Big warning sign. You can make $20,000 in just 8 months. All we need is just this from you and that from you. And you can be that person as well. Sounds great, right? Honey, did you ask anything? Contracts. Did you ask anything? How long have you been here? Do you know about a product? Do you know about a service? Because investing is basically your money going to work and putting into another company so that they can be able to produce the product or the service in order for you to get paid with your interest and your investment to make sense. Okay? Educate yourself about this company, this product, this service, whatever it is. Don't just, oh my God, I can make $20,000. And please don't do it because your cousin says something and, oh, I in it, so you should be in it too. No. Warning sign number 4. Make sure that you have a savings which is intended to multiply. Here's what I mean by that. If you just save your money for saving's sake, it's not growing, which means you don't have no intention for your money and someone else does, like the bank and those different people. Saving with an intention to multiply. Eating out 2 times instead of 5 times. Save the times that you didn't eat out. That money, put on the side. Every time you go buy a little sweet, buy less. Don't do your hair as often. Try your own thing. Don't always do makeup. Something. Don't buy things for people all the time just because they're asking you for it. Sounds familiar? Have money set aside to invest. Now, if you happen to have some money now and you could do the investment, child, go ahead because then you know that that money is set aside for investing and to be multiplied. Please do not just spend money like that without looking first if you can afford to do so. Please, that's definitely huge. And another warning sign, the final warning sign, what I had to learn, which I hope that you take away from this video by now. Let me know so far if any of the 4 sounds familiar or you've done it or you know somebody who've done it or if it's guilty, because that's me. So final warning sign number 5. If you're not believing in the product, the service, the company, the people, if you don't believe in that and have the patience, because investing is a patience game. It's not something you're going to get back. The least you can get from a return on your investment is like 6 months minimum. And that's a good opportunity. But mostly it's years. So have that patience and you have to believe in the product or service because then you know what you're putting your money in is going to have a return. Let's not forget, this is like number 6. I can't show you because my hand holding the other phone. Number 6, please have a purpose in mind why you want to make more money in the first place. It can't just be to pay a bill because you will not be motivated if it's just to pay a bill. Trust me, been there. Nobody wakes up, yeah, I got to pay the electrical, the utility, and the car loan. Yay. No, we don't do that. We don't do that. Okay. Yeah, cruise. Woo. New car. Woo. I can be able to do something amazing and give to charity. Awesome. I can take care of myself and wow. Okay. I can be able to put aside for my life insurance, medical, emergency fund. Okay. That's something that I did not do. I didn't have a purpose. I just looked at the money, honey, and I was like, yeah, this is cool. 5. Now, my name is Ameera Groeneveldt. Let me know in the comments which of the 5 and the bonus number 6, bonus warning signs of basically investing that I learned from that I wanted to just share with you. And let me know also if you want me to make some more videos like this on my journey to being the first generation Caribbean millionaire, multimillionaire in my family and basically in the Caribbean. And our goal, myself and my partner, Ricardo Mardenbrough, is to provide financial literacy through our experiences as we go towards the journey of being a millionaire and what that means from being broke to million, step by step, and being very transparent about it and creating opportunities as well. So let me know in the comments if you want to meet your girl, Ameera Groeneveldt, to make more videos like this for you in my car on my way to my appointments to my investors. All right. Did that, was that you in a comment? Was that a notification?